This is the camera. This is me being their screen test. At least I was until they zoomed it away from me.
And this is day one of the clicking noise. Do you have anything to say, Richie?
I'm pretty excited to get started here. We've just been setting up. Nick and Kyle have been getting the camera ready. Andy over there has been working on the sound. And the talent is patiently waiting for us to start rolling here.
Alright, we're the cards.
Calvin here is covered in blood. It's gonna be a good day. Right here is where your neck is going to be right here, and your head's going to be tilted down as much as you can.
This is the crew.
All right, cool.
This is an ass load of poison oak. If the crew steps in the poison oak, they are screwed.
Yeah, just like that. It's going to be just like that. So you come in through here. You know, you're looking around. You know, maybe you take a pause. You know, and then you look over there, and then you start walking in this direction. You know. And but you're like more like worried than like interested, you know what I mean? Just a little bit more drips, yes.
Oh, that looks hella good! This is Kai and Nick carrying the camera.
And we can just kind of trim it anything here.
I don't want you to be all like you've seen this 1,000 times before, since this is near the beginning of the film. So what you need to do is act a little bit more grossed out here than you would later in the film. But gradually, as you get up, you will be less grossed out almost immediately. Like within this whole scene, you kind of evolve from being like grossed out to not grossed out, because I mean you've been living in this post-apocalyptic world for we don't know how long. Hey, it's James Franco,
right? Richie, how'd you get the budget for this? Like, how did he get interested in this project?
He did it for free, actually. He just liked the script a whole lot.
James, you're a good man.
How was Planet of the Apes?
To measure from there to basically face.
Wait, stop. Stand over here. Turn around. Back up. A little bit more. A little bit to your right. Stop right there. We need to put a marker right there. Right now we are measuring the distance from Austin's chin to the camera lens so we get the appropriate distance and so we know how to focus the camera. I am not a camera expert, but Nick is, so he knows exactly what he's doing.
Are you gonna slate?
Action! Just be a little bit faster on the first part. Other than that, I like your face. Just do your face exactly the same. Just your walk needs to be a little bit faster the first time around. Action! We're on the fourth day of shooting. We are just a little bit behind schedule, but it's okay because we're about to pick up the pace. Let's move about 50 yards down the track. We got one scene filmed on the first day. It was kind of slow going. We got 3 scenes filmed on the second day, and yesterday was our 3rd day, and we got 5 scenes filmed, so we have been doing a pretty good job of picking up the pace.
How long were we filming yesterday? When did we start and when did we end?
We started at 9, we got done about 12 at night, maybe later. Don't remember, like maybe 12:30, 1, I don't know. 15-hour day at least, yeah.
I kind of treat that.
Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed that behind the scenes look at The Clicking Noise, our very first independent feature film funded by you.
We just finished filming the first film. It was really fun, and now we're going to move on to editing.
And to everyone who has already donated, we just sent out a bunch of pictures and posters, so expect yours soon.
And for those of you who got a poster, be really careful when you're opening them up because we're sending them in these shipping tubes, so if you're not careful you might accidentally tear yours, so just a word of caution.
At the beginning of the summer we said that you had until August 31st to donate. This is still true. You have until August 31st, so there's still time to get a picture and/or poster if you would like one.
Remember, there are 6 different levels to donate, and each level has its own specific prize. I'm not going to list out all 6 again, you can look in the description if you want to see those in more detail, but the most popular ones are $10 gets your name in the credits of the film, $25 gets you an autographed picture of either one or the other of heroes and villains, and a $50 donation will get you a poster that's a 20 by 30. But remember, if you donate a level 3, which would be the posters, you get everything below. So if you donate 50, you get a poster, a picture, and your name in the credits.
And for those of you who have never donated before but would like to, there is a PayPal link in the description below. We do use PayPal. And for those of you who are not used to YouTube functions, as they have changed many times over the last few years, the description is hidden unless you click that little thing below the video that says Show More. And when you click Show More, the description will pop out and the link will be at the top of the description. It'll say something like http://www.paypal.com/something else. You click that, it'll take you to PayPal, and then when you get to PayPal, here's a video tutorial on what to do once you are in PayPal.
After you select the amount you would like to donate, you'll be taken to the Review Your Donation page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a place where it says you can add special instructions to the seller. Click on that, and then place your address in the box below. This will tell us where to send your posters, pictures, DVDs, and soundtracks. Also, include the exact name you would like us to use in the credits of the movies, and whether you want Mario and Luigi or Nox Decious and the Darkness in your picture. Oh, and one more thing. Don't be weirded out if the email confirmation says Donna says thanks, because one of our moms helped us set up the PayPal account a long time ago, so neither Chris or my names are on the PayPal account, just RMA Productions, or RMA Studios, and Donna.
To all those who have donated so far, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. We would have never been able to make this film without your help.
And when you do eventually see this film, I hope you enjoy it. This is Richard Michael Alvarez signing off. Goodbye.
Heroes! Villains! My face! Chris!